In this video, we're going to be replacing the splash shield. Okay, so over here, we're going to take out this 10mm bolt. It's also a Phillips. At this point, you just want to be careful. This will start to come down on you. So our vehicle didn't come with these clips here. And these push clips usually go through this splash shield, and into a mounting point on the vehicle. So typically these would be holding this panel in place. Just be aware that this will start to come down on you. So now we have one more 10mm bolt over here, also a Phillips. Go ahead and remove that now. Now at this point, our splash shield is totally free. Our lower front splash shield is missing bolts on the bumper side. We'll be replacing these on the reinstall on the splash shield. All right, to install your front splash shield, what we're going to do is start on a side, and we're going to work in the front here. All right, so we're going to get our front worked in all the way down to the side. We can pull it over slightly. I'm going to push our center pin in to hold the two pieces together. Okay, now from here, we're going to start at the front. We're going to put in our 10mm bolt. There's a lot of weight on this clip, so it might pop out a few times on you. We'll get back to that. Move along to the side here. We'll start putting in our bolts. We're just going to continue down the side. Between the splash shield and the fender liner, you're going to have two bolt holes. This one's going to go all the way through both splash shields into the fender liner. So you're going to want to make sure your liner is in place. Okay, so continuing down the liner here, or the splash shield rather, just kind of loosely line things up. We'll start up here with another 10mm bolt. And then what we're going to do here is just go right to our liner. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 more 10mm bolt locations that'll hold this splash shield up tighter to the underside of the body. Unfortunately, our vehicle has all 4 of these bolts broken off in the receiving portion on the vehicle side, so we won't be able to reuse these. But at this point, you'd have these 4 left, and to push in this last clip to hold these two pieces together. These 4 bolts also bolt through this rear splash shield, so when it's up, it holds everything tight and in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.